For this exercise, we're going to place our hands on the wall. We're going to step slightly away from the wall, feet approximately shoulder width apart. And we're going to make sure that when we do this movement, the eyes follow the chest. Wherever the chest faces, eyes face the same direction. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to keep the arms as straight as possible, unlock the knees, and we're going to push the buttock back towards the wall behind you or whatever is behind you, so that we're able to bring that upper body forward and open up the chest and the shoulders. So this is what it looks like.